Howdy, howdy. I just picked up a grandfather clock for $50 off Marketplace. And it seems to be in really decent condition. I can't get into it. It's locked. It's a little rough here and there. I think I can clean that up. But is it in very decent shape? And I love mechanical clocks. One, you don't need batteries. And two, they can last forever. Proper oiling and cleaning. That's all you gotta do and it'll last forever. This one up here, this one's from 1851 or 1852. And it still works. Little issues with this is I'm missing the key, like I said, but the key cover is right inside there. That made it a plus for me. That's a little gross and grimy. These weights have seen better days. L, it says L on the bottom. What's the other one say? This one says R. Okay, I just noticed that. This one says C, so this is the center. Anyway, that's what works the clock. You also wind up the wheels here. You can see the pulleys right there, and you make sure those are still on. I don't know if it's anything like a cuckoo clock or not. I don't know. So once I get a key, it comes in, we'll start digging into it. Just got the key in the mail. Now we'll just hopefully see if it works. Let's see. There it is. This is gonna suck if it doesn't work. Yeah! Alright, you see inside here. Model 977-1-A Alpha in Nevada. Oh, I forgot what that was. Pendulum, dial, movement. This is great. This is great info. Holland, Michigan. 49423. Made in USA. That's pretty sweet. I like that a lot. Let's hook up these weights. Pulleys fixed. Okay, it's been wound. Alright. I don't know if it means its left or my left. There's a difference. You know, opposite ends. That one's on. Here. I have the boobs lid. I'm so excited. Okay. Now we add the pendulum. This is bent a little bit. We'll just bend it back. There we go. That's pretty straight. Just connect. There we go. Now we just, not sure, make sure it's level. No, we're not gonna do that. We're just gonna see if it does that overnight. And if it does that overnight, we have a good clock. Okay, so I went poop. That's good. Now, when I got back, it stopped. It was still swaying, but it wasn't clicking. So I assumed it hasn't been oiled. That's my assumption. I'm not an expert on any of this, but I enjoy it. Now I just want to see, I don't know what this doohickey down here does. I know this changes your chime sounds. This is your moon phase. I just want to see if it does move at all. Okay, those chimes are off. Let's push this up. Maybe that's what that does. I should chime on the third. Okay, it doesn't chime there. Okay. Oh, it's on silent. That's why. I can't tell what time that is. It should be 10, right? Yeah. Let's change it to, I don't know, St. Michael. No chime there. Hear that clicking? Check this out. Can you see that? Get some light up in here. Okay, so those are my chimes. Okay, looks like it's level. Could be adjusted a little bit here. I really want to get an actual clock guy over here. They'll teach me a little bit. Because I don't know if you noticed, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 other clocks in here. Okay. Got your second hands going still. But yeah, that's what I'm at. Fix this. At least do something. I have these tiniest screws in the world that if you drop them, you'll never find again. Alright, that one works. And it fits inside here. Yeah. Look at that. Worth the buy. Oh, worth the buy. This was a pretty good bidding war I got with this bin of clock screws. It really was. Tried to organize them. Some good brass, large ones. Okay, let's fix this leg down here. It rotates. There we go. Alright. That wobble should be gone. Yeah. No more wobble. Now we should see if it runs all night. Well, it's morning and it's working. Heck yeah. All right. Now let's clean it. Now, rinse it off a little bit. I'm gonna get some furniture cleaner and actually clean it up. I did some more research on this clock, and it seems like they stopped making clocks in 2004, 2005-ish. So I put this clock around 2000, so it's 20 years old. I don't know, maybe even earlier than that. Let's go ahead and polish these pieces right here. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with these. It's fine. But I can at least polish this. So let's do that. Maybe fix the bins a little bit here and there. I think I'm gonna use Flitz. I use this to polish gun parts. It's really nice. I'm not sure what it's gonna do with brass, but we're gonna find out. Man, if only if I was a pretty chick. You know how many likes I'd get just for doing that? Ah. Hey, stop that. Stop it. Okay. Turned out that this is actually brass. I didn't really expect it to be like that. I thought it was just like a exterior finish, but down low it kind of is. It's just polished. If I just polish it? I don't know. I think I'm gonna test the timing on it, see if I didn't screw up the pendulum time, stuff like that. So it's 4 o'clock. Ooh, I need to put the weights on it first. Well, it looks like it's keeping pretty good time. So I think I'm just going to bring this inside, set it where I want it, and I'll deal with these later. Because I've tried everything I could. Tried the vinegar, tried the solvents, tried ketchup to make it clean up, but it just won't clean up. So for now, I think I'm gonna bring it inside. Get it away from the dust that's gonna come up in here in a little while. That seems good to me. Here it is, it's inside. It's been running great. Timing's great. It's a little slightly fast the past couple days. It's like a couple seconds faster than it should be. I'm gonna adjust the pendulum here in a minute, but we're gonna go ahead and use Howard's. Yes, whole restore finish. Don't touch that, okay? And then after that sits, we're gonna wax it. I tested it down here. Right down here. It's dark, you can't see. I can't see. But I'm gonna go ahead and leave that as is for now and call this a win because it's a great clock. Moon phase is moving. So I tested that restore finish right here. You can see it's much shinier than it is over here. You see that glare? So we're gonna do that for sure. This is the other clock I have. Mom bought this 20 years ago. Just about. It's from J.C. Penney. Cheap Chinese penny. I did a test over here too. Ouch. Can you see that? The shine difference? I did it square right here. You go down here, it's not shiny. Shiny, not shiny. Yeah. I think I'm gonna whitewash this one. You know, chicks love whitewash stuff. Especially that rustic chic design. We're gonna do that. I'm gonna darken all this stuff. That'll be a different video. For sure. A lot better from what it was. That's gonna dry like that, and then we'll put a nice wax on it, and then I'll clean up all the glass, and then got ourselves a beautiful, life-lasting grandfather clock. And then shows age, I guess. I guess that's it. Great clock. It's a good find.